Hey everyone, we got in the Jabra Engage 50 USB headset. This is Jabra's high-end call center headset, which really is going to take your voice quality and comfort to the next level. Of course, later on in this video, we're going to test out the microphone so you can hear how well it performs for yourself. So let's get started right now. For those of you that are new here, my name is David. This is the channel Headset Advisor, where we review and compare the latest business headsets, speakerphones, and webcams to help you make a better buying decision. So consider hitting that subscribe button and notification bell. All right, let's take a look at this Jabra Engage 50. Looking at the headset here, this is a lightweight headset. It comes in a single speaker like you see here, as well as dual speaker. It is super lightweight. It's about 3 ounces, so it's going to be comfortable for all day use. And you know, as a call center agent, that's highly important. Hey, the look too looks fantastic. It's got this matte black look. It's made of a plastic material, but it looks very nice. Something that you're proud to have in your call centers and make your employees feel like they're valued. You also have this noise canceling microphone boom. It has 3 microphones built in here. 2 of the microphones are designed to pick up what's going on around you, and the other mic is to try to pick up your voice. So it uses an onboard processor to actually remove the unwanted background noise. So your voice is heard loud and clear, not all your coworkers. So for example, have you ever called a customer service and it's very distracting background noise? It's very difficult, especially if it's tech support. You're trying to hear instructions and you're getting distracted by all the noise going on in the background. I've even heard people kind of laughing and joking, making fun of customers in the background, which comes across very unprofessional. So having that noise canceling microphone is very important, and this one is the best we've ever tested as far as a wired headset goes. And another benefit of the Engage 50 is that it has a leather ear cushion that's super soft and plush, but it's actually removable, so you can just take it off like that and replace it with an inexpensive replacement leather cushion, put on another one. So that's great. So when this one wears out, you have a replacement. But also, if you're somebody that does sharing or you have high turnover as far as employees go, you just can put on a new one and it's sanitary and ready to go for the next agent. Now let me just put this on real quick to show you how easy this is, and if not, we will edit this out of the video. So, all right. And as we see there, that was easy. It took about a few seconds there, nice and easy. So overall design and construction of this headset is going to be about the best you can get for a call center environment. So lightweight, comfortable, and extremely durable. Now let me show you the controller. The way it works is it has a USB cable. Let's go to the other end of this cable that's built into this controller here. And the headset is actually a USB headset alone. So you could plug this in and use it without the controller if you wanted to, or if you have some mobile phones with a USB-C port, you could do that as well. So this USB-C allows you to quickly connect and disconnect the headset from the controller. So how that would be helpful, let's say you have the other end of this headset. The total cable length is about 6 to 8 feet, depending upon with the controller or not. So you take the other end, plug it into your computer, which you can get either USB-A or USB-C, depending upon what ports your computer has. So what you'll do is you'll leave your controller plugged into the computer, and then when you want to step away from the desk, you'll have your headset on here, and then the USB-C cable you keep plugged in. And if you want to step away, simply unplug the headset from the controller, and then you can step away. So that gives you more freedom and flexibility with your headset without having to unplug the headset directly from the computer, which can actually wear out your USB ports, which just makes it more reliable, whereas this is just solid with USB-C on your controller. And then you also have controls on here. That's why we call it a controller. You have your mute function. You can press that and to mute your microphone, press it again to unmute it. So that's convenient if you're trying to talk to some coworkers or a manager so that the customer doesn't hear what you're talking about. Then you also have your volume adjustment. You just twist the dial. You also have programmable buttons. So there's a push to talk feature. You could use this to activate or deactivate your microphone, just like a push to talk, depending upon the application you have. And then you can use speed dial for this other one. There's a variety of other things. You could do call control or mute and an additional button. So you can actually fully customize all of these buttons if you want. Then you have your call control button. So Jabra is optimized with all the leading platforms of contact centers and phone service providers such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Genesys. You have Ring Central. The list is wide. It will work on a lot of applications that's fully integrated. You'll know that it works, and you get those additional features of being able to use this controller to actually manipulate the phone system functionality as well. So that seamless integration is very convenient. The MSRP price is just over $200, depending upon if you get the single speaker or the dual speaker model, but it's backed with a 3-year warranty. And with the design construction being so durable and also so lightweight and comfortable for all the agents, that it's going to be worth the extra money just because of those facts alone. But on top of that, it also is the only Jabra headset, wired headset, that has the additional in-call analytics. So you'll be able to measure whether your agents are positioning the microphone properly, see all of the call quality metrics, the decibel readings of the environment around the call center agent, so you can keep track of everything that's going on and ensure that customer satisfaction is at peak levels. And being a call center agent, they're on the phone 24/7 in some call center circumstances. So having a headset that's going to be able to perform and hold up for that long is very important. All right, I want to show you quickly how it works when you have an incoming call. As you see from the controller, there is a phone call because it's flashing, plus you have a ringtone in your headset. Then you just simply press that button, and now you're live on a phone call. Press it again, and it goes ahead and ends that phone call. So it can really take your productivity to the next level. Now, even on a Zoom video meeting, when you're in the middle of a video meeting, you can actually press the mute button, and it actually mutes the whole application on Zoom. Press it again, and it will actually unmute it from the platform. So if somebody asks you to speak, you can press that mute button in order to unmute it. And Jabra is integrated with all the leading platforms, so that's what I mean by when you get that seamless integration. All right, now this is what the Jabra Engage 50 sounds like in a quiet environment. We're going to do some other noise canceling tests with the props we got over here. But then we're going to switch also between the headset and the camera mic so you can hear the differences quickly. Now this is office noises at about 75 decibels, which is a fairly loud call center type environment. And if you're working from home and you have a pack of dogs at your house, this is how the Jabra Engage 50 would perform. And if this is an extreme noise canceling test with a blender going on next to you, just in case you need to blend up a fruit smoothie next to you. So what did you think of the overall microphone performance of the Jabra Engage 50? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd be curious to hear what you think about it. Now, if you want to upgrade your call center headsets, the Jabra Engage 50 is going to be your best option. The quality, durability, warranty is outstanding. Plus, you get the additional in-call analytics to give you more insights into the call center agents is awesome. If you need help with getting a sample, bulk discounts, go to headsetadvisor.com/help. That's what we do all day long. Our California-based team is ready to help and assist you, and that helps support our family business, and we can keep making these great videos for you. So, really appreciate you coming by, watching this review. If you want to learn about the Jabra Evolve 275, which is one of my favorite wireless headsets from Jabra right now, check that video out right here. We did a full in-depth review with a noise canceling test as well. It's great for call centers, covers up both ears, and has active noise cancellation. Check it out. Other than that, thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time.